wabarakatuh. In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. Hello, 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 my students. In this virtual classroom, I'm very glad, I'm very happy to meet you in this class. Today, we have a very interesting lesson. It's about menu, it's about restaurant, about some words, some vocabulary. You will need them very, very much. So, the class is for first, secondary grade. Okay, the subject, it's our interesting subject, which is English language, semester, the first one. The title and the topic of the lesson is 4A, what's on the menu? What's on the menu? So today we start a new unit or module prepared by Abdullah Hussein, presented by Osama Al-Awaji. Okay, so this is the first slide. I'm gonna go to next slide. Okay, the goals or the objectives, we will cover all these goals. Number one is ordering food. How to order the food from restaurant. It's very important. Number two, taking an order. Number three, reading a menu. Number four, making offers. Number five, accepting and refusing offers. So, these are the goals. We will together, my students, cover all these goals. Let's get started. Yes, here. Now, question for you guys. My student, my lovely student, welcome. Where is he now? Can you give me the answer, please? I need from you to be very active and very fast. Hospital. Okay, this is hospital. Another one is summer restaurant. Okay, we will see answer later. We will see answer later. Okay, who is this? Who is this? Okay, no problem, Amr, no problem. Anyone makes mistake, no problem. Don't worry. The very important thing is to participate us, to write something. No problem if you make mistakes. Okay, waiter, we will see later also. What is he saying? He's saying what? He's saying what? He's saying what? This guy. Okay, the customer. Okay, saying what? Okay, good. So we will move to next slide, and will we see the answer? Okay, ask food. Okay, or order. Yes, good. Okay, let's see the answer. Yeah, excellent, good. So at a restaurant, this is the place, the man who is a waiter, he is what? A waiter. And he said, what's on the menu? What's on the menu? He asking about something in menu, and he would like to order some food because he's very hungry. Okay, next. Match the menu with the words in the box. We have here box. You see the box? Okay, and we have some words. It's very important words. We can use them in any restaurant. Number one, who would like to speak? Who would like to speak? Who has a mic? Who has a mic? And read the words here below. Amr? Okay, let's go with Amr. Okay, I will give you the mic and you can talk. Okay, you don't have mic. Yeah, you don't have mic. Okay, number one. Next, who is Summer? Summer. Okay, I will give you the mic. Sorry, I give you the video. So, I'll give you the mic, just mic. Okay, so you have to read the words here. Yes, go ahead.
Salad.
Yes. Next. This one. What?
This.
The sound is not clear. Okay. Desserts. Desserts. Drinks.
Access.
Okay. And main courses. Main courses. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much, Summer. Okay, so here we have salads, we have desserts, no dessert, no, desserts, drinks, starters, and main courses. Every menu, okay, has one of these or all of these. Okay, shall we go to next? Here we have some pictures. You see the pictures here, and we have salad. We have, for example, number one, it's what? Salad. Number two, who would like to write down? Number two, water. But what kind? What kind of? What is the category for that? Is it salad or starters or desserts or what? It's kind of what? It's kind of, yes. Who's the first? Starters? We have another one. You can see drinks. Yes, Summer. Excellent. You can see one kind of drinks. We have water. We have another one. Okay, randomly, I will go to here. It's kind of what? Starters or salads or desserts or main course? Lasagna. Main course. Yes, Amr. Excellent. What about number 4? Also main course. Okay. I'm gonna go to here. What kind of number 12? Number 12 is what? Number 12. Number 12. Who's the fast? Who's winner? Sweets? Yes, excellent. And we have another word. Drink? No. 12 a drink. This is not a drink. This is ice cream. It's kind of what? Kind of a sweet or dessert. Yes, not dessert. Dessert. You have to write double S. Yes, Huda. Good. Good. Excellent. Dessert. Wonderful. Okay, shall we move to next slide? Okay, You see here, number 1 is salad. We have garden salad. This is garden or green salad. Here we have tomato salad. Here we have mushroom soup or chicken soup. This is chicken, I think. Also, here is mushroom. So, it's kind of upside down. Okay. Here we have also main courses. We have grilled fish with rice. We have steak and chips. We have vegetarian pizza. And we have lasagna. This is the main course. Also, we can add kabsa. Okay? Kabsa is what? Is main course. It's main course. Yes. Every Saudi likes that. Okay. Now we will move to next slide, which is drinks. You see drinks here. Any kind of juice, we consider it as what? A drinks. We have orange juice, we have apple juice, we have every juice you can say to drinks, or water, or soda, or coffee. Okay? What about desserts? This is kind of desserts. Okay, good. So, every menu, if you go to restaurant and enter to restaurants, you have to know these words, which are starters, main course, desserts, and drinks. So it's very important to know about that. Be careful and pay attention for that. Okay, so here we have match to make as many phrases as possible. Then listen and check your answer. We have here coffee, we have water, we have Coke. This is Coke like Coca-Cola, Pepsi, okay? Pizza, soup, and milk. So we will listen, and after that you have to decide, okay, what kind of these words. Bottle of what? Glass of what? Cup of what? Okay? Now we will play the audio here and listen, my friend.
Two, read. A, listen and read. What kind of restaurant are the people eating at? 1.
Are you ready to order?
Okay, now I will play the audio. Go ahead.
2. Read. Two. Read. A. Listen and read. What kind of restaurant are the people eating at? 1.
Are you...
That's a problem.
Two. Read. A. Listen and read. What kind of restaurant are the people eating at? 1.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'm ready. I'd like some mushroom soup to start.
This is another conversation, guys.
Milk. A cup of coffee.
Okay, I get it. Okay, listen,
B.
guys.
Match to make as many phrases as possible. Then listen and check your answers. A bottle of water, milk or Coke. A glass of water, Coke or milk. A cup of coffee. A can of Coke or soup. A slice of pizza A bowl of soup.
Okay, I will take randomly a cup of what? A cup of what here? A cup of water, okay, you can see like that, or a cup of, okay, you can write in English to improve your English language. Okay, a cup of coffee. Yes, Amr, wonderful, wonderful, Amr. Okay, so next, a can of. A can of. A can of. This is a can. Okay, wonderful. Can of cook or can of. Also, we put it as or in the can here. Can of soup. Yeah, it's well. In some supermarkets, you will find some kind of can of soup. Okay, so this is the answer for the whole phrases here. Okay, so a bottle of water, a glass of water, you can say a cup of coffee, can of cook, and a slice of pizza, a bowl of soup. Okay, nice. Wonderful. Okay, now we will go to conversation here, and you have to listen. What kind of restaurant are the people eating at? What kind of restaurant are the people eating at? Okay, shall we move?
Two. Read. A. Listen and read. What kind of restaurant are the people eating at? 1.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'm ready. I'd like some mushroom soup to start.
I'm afraid we don't have any mushroom soup. We only have tomato soup.
OK, I'd like some of that. What toppings are on the classic pizza?
It's just cheese and tomato.
So, there aren't any onions on it?
No, but we can add some onions.
Great. I'd like a medium, please.
Is that all?
Yes, I think so.
What would you like to drink?
I'd like a glass of mineral water, please.
2.
Are you ready to order?
Yes. Is there any meat in the lasagna?
No, this is a vegetarian restaurant. There's no meat in our dishes.
OK, I'd like the lasagna. What does that come with?
All our pasta dishes come with a garden salad.
Good.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
Would you like to see the dessert menu?
Maybe later. One more thing. There's no salt and pepper.
Oh, I'm sorry. There you go. Can I take your menu?
Here you are.
Okay, wonderful, wonderful. So here we have two conversation, number 1 and number 2. Read again and write T or F. So we have T for true and F for false. Number 1, Steve ordered mushroom soup for a starter. Is it right or no? You have to write down T or F. Okay. Number 2, the classic pizza has onions on it. There are onions on it. False. Okay. Steve ordered mineral water. Steve ordered mineral water. Is it right or no? Okay, good. There are some tomatoes on the pizza. There are some tomatoes in the pizza, or tomatoes. Is it right or no? Okay. Steve orders dessert. Steve orders desserts. Okay, so we will see the whole answer here. Number 1 is false. Okay, number 2 is also false. Number 3, yes, right, true. There are some tomatoes on the pizza. Yes. And Steve orders dessert. False. Okay, so this is the answer for the whole exercise here. Shall we move to next and very important grammar, which is countable and uncountable noun. Countable and uncountable noun. معدود وغير المعدود. Okay, so we have here some, we have any, we have no. Every one of them has the rule. Number 1, we start with countable noun. You can account. Nouns, also called count nouns or countable nouns, are easy to recognize. They are things that you can account. So it's very easy to account. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is countable. Okay. Uncountable noun, okay, are substances, okay, concepts, etc. that we can divide it into separated elements. For example, rice here. You can account, so here is an account. Okay, we can't account them. Also, number 3, countable nouns are also called mass nouns. So, mass nouns or uncountable noun. Okay, we will go directly to some. We will talk now about just some and any, no, all together, and after that we will separate it. Number 1, there are some tomatoes. So this is what? Number 1 in fridge. There are some chicken on the pizza, but there aren't any mushrooms. Would you like some water? Would you like some water? Is there any Coke in the fridge? There are no onions in the salad. There are no cheese in the sandwich. Okay, so here we use some, any, no. We will explain more in next slide. Here, what do you understand from this? What did you understand? What time? What's the rule we use some? We have some rule use what? Also any. And sometimes we use what? No. We will go deeply. Okay. Here some. Here you have to pay attention about that. Some. What time? We use some. We use some in positive sentences. What? In positive sentences with uncountable nouns and what? Countable. We use it countable and uncountable nouns, plural nouns. Okay? So we will use in both countable noun, uncountable noun, and in positive. Positive means there is no not. Positive means no not in the sentence. Okay. Also here we use some in question when we ask for things or offer. Offer things. If you'd like to offer things, for example, would you like some coffee, please? Would you like some water, please? So there is kind of offering. Okay, this is about what? Some. Here, there are some bread on the table. Bread, is it count or uncount? Bread, count or uncount? Who would like to write down here? Count or uncount? Hurry up, guys. Bread. You can say bread. Uncount. Excellent. Excellent, Summer. Uncount. Okay. There is oranges on the table. Can I have coffee, please? Would you like grapes? So here we use what? Some. Okay. Shall we move to any? This is very important also. Any here. Okay, my friend. We use any in questions. And negative. And what? Negative or negative sentences with uncountable noun and plural nouns. Means that countable nouns. So we use both in countable and uncountable nouns, also in questions and negative sentences. So we use any. Okay, wonderful. It's clear, my friend? I think it's very clear. Okay, is there any... Okay, good. Is there any water? Does she have any children? I can't see any rice. There aren't any people. So we here can use what? Any. We use what? Any. Okay, wonderful, my friend. Here we will move to the third one, which is no. No, the opposite of any. And its compounds can be used instead of not any. Not any, the opposite of any, and negative or negative sentences. So we use sometimes, or we use no here, and not any. Not any, the meaning of not any. Okay, here. There aren't any bugs on the table. So we have here negative. We have what? Negative. You see the negative here? Not, but in short form. There aren't any bugs here on the table. There are no books on the table. There isn't any milk in the fridge. Okay? There is no milk in the fridge. So, here the first one equal the second one. Aren't any, the same is what? No. The no and aren't or not any. Okay, the same. Okay, there isn't any milk in the fridge. There is no milk on the fridge. Good, excellent, wonderful, my student. Okay, here is the summary for our lesson today. We talked about ordering food, taking an order, reading a menu, countable and uncountable nouns. We use also some, any, and no. The title of the lesson is What's on the Menu? Okay, I need from you now, give me one sentence, okay, by using some, and one sentence by using any, one sentence using no. Go ahead. You have to write it in chat zone here in the text. Give me one sentence using what? Some. Hurry up. Yes. Who is the first? Who is the first? Type in chatting. Okay. I'm waiting for you, my student. There are some grapes on the table. Good. Wonderful, Amr. I gave him some papers. Wonderful. Nice. Very well organized sentence. And you have to put full stop in the end of the sentence. I gave him some papers. Wonderful. Okay, good. There is some pen here. You can say there is some pen or what? There are some pen or pens. Can I say some pen or some pens? Yes. Okay. So you can change your answer. Good try. There are some pens there. It's just for plural, not singular. Okay, don't use singular. Okay, is there anything to eat? Excellent, we use any with thing. Yes, wonderful summer. Okay, give me sentence by using here no. No. Who would like to write down and using the word no? Okay. I'm waiting for you. There is no pizza in the fridge. Yes, wonderful. There is no pizza in the fridge. Wonderful, Amr. You are very good. There is no pizza in the fridge. Okay, you doing very well. You are doing very well, my student. I hope you understand the whole lesson. The lesson is very easy.